Okay, here's another percentage problem. We've got a car that was now been sold for £2,125. 15% loss. What's the original price of the car? So what's happened is this. This is the sale price, and this is the normal. Well, the normal we don't know. The sale price is 2,125. And what's happened in our transaction? Well, we've made a loss of minus 15%. So what's our magic number? Well, minus 15% gives a magic number, the multiplication factor of 0.85. So straight away I can say x multiplied by 0.85 equals 2,125. Therefore, x is equal to 2,125 divided by 0.85. Pop that into a calculator and get 2,500. And that is your answer.